That's it. That's what I just undone the screw to sort this door out, and this is what I've seen. Oh wow, look, it's still pouring. Oh, it's full up right here. Put a hole, well, we'll sort something out anyway. Yeah, it's still going. See if I can make this a bit easier. There we go. That should help a great deal. So there we are. I shall wait till this empties. Take the mechanism strip out, give it a good clean and lubrication with the correct lubrication, not WD-40 as most people's first point of call is, and then we'll get on that. Be wise, funky wise. Your trusted local independent locksmiths.